BRABUS P900 Rocket Edition. The P900 Rocket Edition is an impressive combination of the 800 Adventure XLP's long pickup body with the lower chassis and performance equipment of the 900 Rocket SUV. It has a set of special large 24-inch BRABUS Monoblock Z Platinum Edition wheels with carbon fiber Aerodisc discs. The 4-seat interior is decorated in BRABUS Masterpiece style with premium leather upholstery everywhere with seashell diamond stitching, contrasting with rocket red accents. The P900 Rocket makes 888 horsepower and 774 pound-feet of torque is electronically limited. Power is transmitted to all 4 wheels through a 9-speed automatic transmission. Despite its massive 5,997 pounds weight, it can still accelerate from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 3.7 seconds and has a top speed of 174 miles per hour. Only 10 units will be built, and prices start from around $700,000 for one. BRABUS 600. The highlights of BRABUS 600 are in the carbon fiber body kit. Attractive turquoise blue interior, and especially the V8 engine has also been increased. A new set of wheels has also replaced the regular wheels with a dark shadow chrome finish called the BRABUS Monoblock M Platinum Edition 22-inch Shadow Gray. Moving inside, the interior has a more prominent color scheme with different blue leather upholstery, turquoise blue leather seats with BRABUS signature seashell diamond motif and black border add texture. BRABUS has taken the S580 4MATIC's already capable twin-turbo V8 and tuned it so that it now pumps out 591 horses and 590 pound-feet of torque. Those are increases of 104 horsepower and 74 pound-feet of torque, respectively. Thanks to that, the upgraded 4-door can rocket from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 4.5 seconds, 0.3 seconds faster than the S580 Maybach. BRABUS 820. The BRABUS 820 upgrade package gives the 911 Turbo S Cabriolet a sweeping change, upgrading both in appearance, exterior equipment, as well as in performance. The car is designed based on the philosophy of BRABUS while owning a series of upgraded details made of carbon with high finishing, creating a difference for the unique sports car. The 3.8-liter twin-turbo engine with a newly developed turbocharger can produce up to 809 horsepower with torque tweaked to 701 pound-feet. This allows the BRABUS 820 to zoom from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 2.5 seconds and reach an electronically limited top speed of 211 miles per hour. Inside, the BRABUS Masterpiece interior is entirely handcrafted to match the signature BRABUS look. BRABUS EQS. Unlike previous projects, the German tuner only intervened in the exterior design and aerodynamics of the car. The electric motor system remains the same. The exterior changes help the car have a CD wind resistance index of only 0.20, the lowest in this tuning company's projects, and 7.2% more optimal than the standard EQS. To optimize aerodynamics and lower the vehicle's center of gravity, EQS is equipped with BRABUS Sport Extra suspension, 15mm and 25mm lower respectively at the front and rear axles. Finally, it's fitted with 22-inch BRABUS Monoblock Z Platinum Edition 10-spoke wheels to increase the car's sportiness. BRABUS 700. The BRABUS 700 builds on the long-wheelbase variant of the Ghost, offering a range of exterior design and performance upgrades for those who want to stand out from the crowd in a stronger way. Under the hood is still a 6.75-liter twin-turbo V12 engine, but performance has been improved by BRABUS, making 690 horsepower and 701 pound-feet of torque more powerful than the Black Badge version. Thanks to that, the Rolls-Royce Ghost 2022 can sprint from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 4.6 seconds. Although the Ghost has been meticulously crafted by Rolls-Royce artisans, BRABUS still provides extra small details to make it stand out. Pricing for the BRABUS 700 starts from $650,000. BRABUS Taycan Turbo S. The Taycan Turbo S has had a sporty look since it left the assembly plant, so BRABUS has added some carbon fiber details to help make this car look more different. Specifically, the front splitter, rear spoiler, and rear bumper with aerodynamic diffuser slots are all made of carbon fiber. Bright green brake calipers are tucked behind BRABUS 22-inch Monoblock Z Platinum Edition wheels, a bespoke creation specifically for the Taycan, along with a custom suspension control module that lowers the ride height by 20 millimeters. As for the interior, the design team developed an entirely handcrafted bright green and black BRABUS masterpiece interior for this model to match the distinctive look of the Taycan. Pricing for the complete Porsche Taycan Turbo S by BRABUS is $330,000. BRABUS Crawler 900. The front end looks like the Crawler is a modified G63, but it's not. It's built on a bespoke chassis with an all-carbon fiber body. This car can conquer all terrain with an impressive ground clearance of 20.9 inches. The engine is a tuned version of AMG's familiar twin-turbo V8, bumped from 4 to 4.5 liter and fitted with custom BRABUS internals and new turbochargers. At 4,553 pounds, the Crawler is significantly lighter than a G63, and it'll run from 0 to 62 miles per hour in an astounding 3.4 seconds. Inside, there are 4 separate seats with carbon fiber seat frames wrapped in red Silvertex fabric, a durable material derived from BRABUS marine sports boats. BRABUS will make just 15 units of the Crawler through 2024 with an asking price of around $750,000.